Hi everybody, welcome to your May 5-minute fast and fit workout. You can do it. A great way to wake up happy, get in your little 5-minute workout. It makes you feel great for the whole day. Plus it gives you that right mindset to be positive all day and to keep moving. That's the key. So let's begin. Okay, let's first start off with a good stretch overhead. This is working your legs and your arms all at the same time. Our 640 muscles of the body. Let's go. Happy May, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all of you out there. Yes, wonderful May month. I love it. Also, it's National Fitness Month. Yes, woo. Okay, two arms now. Reach overhead, side to side. Really feel the length through the spine. Wake up those muscles. Yes, good. Give you oxygen. It equals energy. Keep moving. That's the goal. We got one more. Okay, swing it out. Tap it to the side and swing it out. Good. Really use your legs. Go down and up. There. You'll really firm up the buttocks. Shaping and toning. Good. Getting that circulation going. Circulation is what helps heal your body. So keep it going. That's it. Two more. Go side to side now. Front and lift. And front. Now lift that leg behind you and squeeze that bottom. Tighten that tushy. Yay. Good. Hold it here now. One more. Hold, 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 hold. And release. Now tuck under your hips and feel the stretch. That's it. It also helps tone through your thighs, your buttocks. Good workout. Yes. Get you going for the day. Yes. Woo! Optimistic. You got this. Okay, let's go to the other side. Lift and back. Lift, elongate the spine. Everything lifts. Squeeze that tushy behind you. Lift the leg. Point your toe. That's it. Good. Really feel it. Lift. Last one. Hold it up there. Just hold it up. Okay. Great. Now let's go to the side and really feel the lift. You got this. Just take it down, back up. Squeeze your bottom. Tighten up through the thighs. You can do it. Good. Shape and tone the bottom half to make it your better half. Last one. Good. Hold it there. Squeeze, squeeze. Tighten that tushy. Great. And let's go side to side. Working through the inner thighs, the legs. That's it. Your waistline. Add a little twist to it. Look up. That's it. Twist. Really feel the stretch and the tone. That's it. Beautiful. Trimming and slimming. Good. May's a beautiful month to get out there in the beautiful outdoors. Nature makes you feel good. Improves your mood, your attitude, uplifts you. Yes, we got two more. Last one. Okay, this time go side to side for the waistline now. Side and side. This is slimming the sides of our waistline. Really good exercise. This is like a standing ab exercise. Reaching through the sides of the waistline. Tighten up the tummy. Pull the navel to the spine. That's it. Last one. Good. Now we hold it right here. And let's pull down. Little pull downs for the sides of the waist. Cinch in that waist. Good. Can you get that elbow towards your knee? Yes. Cinch it in. Pull the belly button in as you pull your knee towards you. Pull the tummy in. You got it. Pull. Last one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Reach and pull. That's it. Pull. You can do it. Really stand up tall though. Pull down. Great one. Good. Come on, get it up there. Yes. Couple more. It's worth it. Cinch in. Go up. Get that knee up. Good. Last one. Okay, arms behind you now. Now lift your knees up. Just lift your knees. Now we're working on the lower tummy to target tone the belly. That's it. Pull your abs up and in. Think good posture here. That's good. Straight back. Good body technique. You'll start to feel this in the tummy. Focus your abdominals pulled up and in. That's it. Tighten up through the abs, your core muscles. We got two more. Last one. And release. Now we stretch out our legs. Reach your fingertips down the front of your legs. Flatten your back. Reach it to the shins. Hold, lengthen your spine. Neck is long. Bend your knees and slowly come back up, using your buttock muscles. There, let's do one more. Stretching your back of your thighs, hamstring. Reach for your shins, back is flat, neck is long. Hold the stretch, breathe. Use your buttocks to come up. Tighten up that tushy, tight, 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 tight. Beautiful, and let's stretch to the side. You got this. You're gonna have a great day because you did something that's good for you. That's right, self-care. Take good care of yourself. You are worth it. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to look good. Yes, you are worth it. Last stretch. Okay, take a deep breath, inhale. Exhale out and go enjoy your day. Love you guys.